Hi everybody. My name is Emily. Every day I pick up the most interesting information about the latest Apple. The coolest gadgets that are expected soon on my channel. So do not forget to subscribe, write comments and like. iPhone SE 2020 is the bomb. That's all we know about him. After more than a year of expectations and rumors, we are finally approaching the release of Apple's long-awaited low-cost iPhone. The iPhone SE 2020, also called the iPhone 9 and iPhone SE 2, is expected to be released shortly. We have collected everything that is now known about the new product, because it may come out tomorrow, well, or the day after tomorrow. In general, next week, and if you are not even going to buy a new iPhone, you will be interested to learn more about it. iPhone SE 2020 will definitely be a bestseller. In general, the first iPhone SE was introduced in 2016. It continued the design in the style of iPhone 5, although then iPhone 6s and iPhone 7, which were cooler in appearance, were already released. Why did they buy it and continue to buy it? The iPhone SE was unique in that it offered the technical specifications of the modern iPhone line at a lower price and in a smaller form factor. If you had such a phone, tell us about your experience in the comments. This is what they expect from the iPhone SE 2020, but will not do without a few important changes. The first iPhone SE is still buying. Design iPhone SE 2020. As an analyst with Menchiko, credit name. By the way, previously reported, the iPhone SE 2020 will have a design similar to that of the iPhone 8. This means that the device will be able to have a 4.7-inch display with a home button, without Face ID. On the rear panel will place a camera with one lens. In an effort to reduce costs, Apple will support a relatively simple set of cameras in the iPhone SE 2020. Although it is still unknown whether it will be possible to enable features such as portrait mode with the help of software. Photos with blur, a very cool thing. As for colors, in 2020 iPhone SE will be released in the color space gray, silver, gold and red. The appearance of red is noteworthy, since it is usually popular. Apple releases red iPhones a bit later, and here they are expected right at the start of sales. With the help of numerous renderings, we can already imagine the iPhone SE 2020. The photos most often depict a phone that is almost identical to the iPhone 8, but with a matte rear window similar to the one in the iPhone 11 Pro. For me it's cool, it creates a feeling of uniformity in the iPhone line, despite other differences in design. The frosted glass of the iPhone SE 2020 will help keep things in common with the iPhone 11 Pro. These renderings also show that the iPhone 2020 SE can be half a millimeter thicker than the iPhone 8. Its thickness will be 7.8 millimeters. The rest is all the good old iPhone 8. All in all, Apple is clearly not trying to reinvent the wheel with the 2020 iPhone SE. Instead, she sticks with the design that made the iPhone 6, iPhone 7, and iPhone 8 popular, which makes sense given the updates Apple is targeting.